Pointing a finger is the easiest way to escape, isn't it? In today's world, expectations grow faster than reality. And in order to meet these expectations, the government needs better governance. While millions of people believe only in pointing fingers at the system, there are also those who want to actively change the system. The battle for change is a challenging one. Preparations for cracking public services exams require the right kind of environment as well as trainers. And if someone aspires to get trained from a private coaching class of a big city, then it requires extensive financial expenditures.
ना हमारे पास लाखों रुपए है,
ना ही वो माहौल।
अगर कुछ है तो वो है बहुत मेहनत करने की तैयारी और स्पिरिट देश के लिए काम करने का।
काफी है. You need nothing more because the government will take care of everything else. Gujarat has established an institute that trains the youth to have a career, not just a job. An institute that produces karma yogis instead of mere employees. Sardar Patel Institute of Public Administration. An institute entrusted with the responsibility of preparing the youth of Gujarat for civil services, as well as training existing government officers via 4 major institutions. State Institute of Rural Development, Civil Service Study Center, Center for Good Governance, Nodal Institution for Training on WTO Matters, and Central Government Recruitment Service. Established in the year 1962, SPIPA boasts of having trained individuals who have brought revolutionary transformations in government functioning and public life.
वो जमाना और था जब लोग बिजली और पानी से खुश हो जाया करते थे। आज तो लोग सरकार से स्मार्ट सिटीज एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं, डिजिटल हाईवेज एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं। अब ऐसे में सरकार चलाने वाले भी तो ज्यादा एफिशिएंट चाहिए, केपेबल चाहिए।
It is the vision of SPIPA to create a huge army of public servants in the coming future. A big leap towards highly aimed achievement. 135 candidates cracked the entrance exams of civil services, helping SPIPA achieve the highest pass-out ratio. And in order to encourage the candidates, the government has initiated a new scholarship scheme. Candidates pertaining to all categories who have passed SPIPA's entrance exam are eligible for this scholarship. The selected candidates shall receive a scholarship of 14,000 rupees for the period between admission and prelim. For the post-prelim period, a scholarship of 12,000 rupees for the preparation of final examinations. Once mains are cleared, a scholarship of 24,000 rupees for candidates' preparation for the interview. And once the candidate is selected in the final list of UPSC, he will receive a scholarship of 51,000 rupees. What's more, big plans have been laid out for ensuring excellent infrastructure and resources. Development of institutes to global standards, higher attention to training, and expansion of funds will be of utmost priority. And that is why, with an investment of nearly 135 crore rupees, SPIPA is making large-scale advancements in everything from infrastructure to the training system. Facilities at par with world-class education system are being organized, like Amphi classrooms, 24/7 reading room, a library facilitating students with a collection of more than 130,000 books on a wide variety of subjects, a huge campus, and a state-of-the-art hostel with an environment competent for dedicated studies in a competitive world. Guided by a new vision and vigor, today SPIPA is working to further the development of all these facilities.
बेटा रात को घर गुस्से में आता है या हंसते हुए, इससे पता चलता है वो कैसे माहौल में और किस तरह से काम करता है। शो कौशल।
Yes, environment matters no matter where are you working. and SPIPA trains the government officers in such a way that the public servant can create a productive balance between work and life. Also, the mantra of SPIPA is going green. Among all the new eco-friendly buildings being planned, SPIPA's Green Building is one of the most creative concepts to be executed. The campus will soon have its own yoga centers, gym, and gardens. All these will add to the value of training that people receive. Along with the existing visiting faculties, SPIPA will soon arrange for permanent faculties in order to further provide a conducive teaching atmosphere. Today, when India has the world's largest youth population, it is vital to inspire and motivate them to serve the country. Even the rural youth needs to be made aware of the opportunity to serve the nation and embrace prosperous careers that await them. Hence, SPIPA has decided to go beyond Ahmedabad by establishing its regional training centers at Surat, Vadodara, Gandhinagar, Rajkot and Mehsana. Also, special instructions given by Honorable Chief Minister Anandiben Patel has led to the establishment of additional 27 new district training centers across the state. SPIPA will soon implement a video conference training facility at district levels, and it also plans to impart training through BISAG. Expansion of SPIPA's training capacity from 340 to 1,000 students is also being planned. Thanks to enhancement in infrastructure and reach, training for defense, banking, and other exams have also been initiated. Today, SPIPA has surpassed new milestones and created a benchmark for all other training institutes of the country. The credit of this goes to none other than the visionary leadership of Srimati Anandiben Patel, the driving force behind this success. Gujarat, where Sardar Patel, the founder of Indian public administration, was born. Gujarat, where the torch-bearer of the freedom movement, Mahatma Gandhi, was born. Gujarat, the homeland of the visionary Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi. It's time for the youth of Gujarat to repeat history and make Gujarat a name to reckon with. With hard work, dedication, and the right training, you too can become IAS, IPS, Collector, DSP, DYSP, IFS, IRS, and much more. So those of you who want to change the system and are ready to serve a population of 125 crore, Gujarat is ready to take on the responsibility of training you.
अच्छा लगता है जब कोई बच्चा स्कूल जाता है।
अच्छा लगता है जब लाखों घरों को पानी मिलता है।
अच्छा लगता है जब सैकड़ों घरों में बिजली आती है।
तब हम गर्व से कह सकते हैं
कि हम जॉब नहीं,
सर्विस करते हैं, देश की सर्विस।
Here, you will come as a citizen and go out as a change maker. Sardar Patel Institute of Public Administration, training Gujarat to serve the nation.